Good evening over there. I am Ashton Kim from Fresnelfactory. Today I would like to introduce lenses for optical sensor to find out new partner or buyers. Our solution is lenses for optical sensors that is integrated with a plastic housing. Yep, this is not just housing, this is lenses. If you can find your company name or competitor's name from this slide, then you are the person who we're looking for. Before I start to introduce our product and solution, I'd like to briefly talk about what the optical sensor and how lenses work. There's a different type of sensors, and the requirement of them is getting increased with the rising of Internet of Things era. A lot of sensors mimic humans' five senses. Among these senses, what we're caring about is the optical sensors, which is a sight in human. A definition of optical sensor is a broad class of device for detecting light intensity. In case of a human, only can see visible light, but sensor can detect UV and infrared as well. Because it is detecting light intensity, there is a field of view, distance, and direction. Lobe lenses are changing those factors according to application. As example, let's think about occupation sensor. Normally, we called it as motion detector as well. The occupation sensor can detect more than 32 feet, but without the lenses, it only can detect 3 feet. So in this case, lenses works to extend the distance. As you can feel, lenses are very important in optical sensors. Most of the optical sensor has lenses inside of their mechanism. I think you might have experienced that there is a huge variation, but none of them clearly meet your requirement. Because of that, many of you and your companies decide to modify or customize the optics. Problem is here. A lot of sensors produced based on mimic technologies, which is required a lot of economy of scale. So, well, because of the economy of scale, you better have huge buying power. Huge mean is in MEMS sensor is 100 million units sometimes. If you don't have much of a buying power, sensor company most likely deny to change their well-organized production line. Does your product produce more than 100 million units per year in single model? Unfortunately, we are living in a huge diversity era. Most likely, yours are also low volume and high variety products, like in the LED box here. Then please think about to work with our company. Even your product don't reach of the economic of scale that much, you can take the advantage of in the cost of the scale with the desired performance. Not only our optical design skill and the tooling skill for more, but also we have Fresnel technologies. In the global, there is only about 6 companies has enough skill and experience in Fresnel technologies. We are the one of them. Our Fresnel skill can give us to take advantage in high transmittance and miniaturized lens shape. That's our core competence. Our company started business since 2013, and I have been in optic industry since 2002, start my beam projector manufacturing. Our company is located in Suwon of South Korea and have a small office in Silicon Valley as well. We have many customers in overseas. Among the customer, a customer who I remember is Blink Camera, uh, who is acquired by Amazon 2 years ago. Yeah, they built a IP camera and using our PRS sensor. If you visit our website, Fresnelfactory.com, you can find our various achievements. There is not only sensors, but also other applications such as display and developing mode. Since we are not just manufacturing company, we have patents during our R&D process, as in this slide. For sure, most of them based on Fresnel technologies. We are currently focusing on sensors, especially thermal images, medical sensor, and LiDAR. As first, lens housing for thermophile. Thermophile can detect absolute temperature of things. It can also see the thermal image as well. Sensor module in the right side is thermophile module for laundry dryer. This is our lens for motion detector, someone called PRS sensor. To applying our product, you can adjust detection distance and area as you want. Even without changing sensor, you can get more wider FOV and distance. The last one is a sensor for LiDAR detector and medical sensor that is using infrared. In the bottom of the left is LiDAR detector. We do optical design and tooling mode for a Korean LiDAR detector manufacturer. Our lens is amplifying detectable signal more than 1.5 times than other conventional products. Here's my contact and my colleague's contact who in USA. Please using this in your convenience. Thank you. Bye bye.